Okay, so this is 1389 Caminito Halago. We're going to do something a little different this time. I don't actually have access to the house, and so we're going to do a little sneak peeking in the windows. This is the area. You may remember it because we were here before. Augusta wasn't really crazy about the vibe. It's Crystal Bay. It's an enclave. It's like a gated community. So here's our front, and there's kind of like a couple of front doors. There's this one. Got funny noises. Their little fountain there, and I'm just gonna put the camera right up to the window so you can try to see as well as I can. So that's what it looks like on the inside from that entrance. And pretty cute little side yard here. This is kind of like the main front door here. It appears to be, it seems like one level, but then when you get toward the back, you can tell there's another level. Let's peek inside here so you can see a little bit. It looks pretty light and bright. Just now when I pulled back